in this airplane footage. Here is that footage.
Daddy Wama.
Who keeps saying Daddy Wama? Oh yeah, hi guys, it's me, homie Wama. You know, you didn't see me from the last episode. Yeah, you didn't see me.
Go check the.
Go check the deleted scene from which will be coming right after this. Oh yeah, I'm in that deleted scene. Okay, we know that, but come on, let's just continue. Our journey to Berlin. All right, let's go to our journey to Berlin. Okay, turn around. What the heck? He called me dirty in the last episode? What are you talking about?
Nothing.
No one calls me dirty. Achoo! 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 Hey! What was that for? You called me dirty. Achoo! Hey!
Hey, no seasoning.
Please stand by. Boinky, boinky. No.
So what would you like, sir?
Oh, you hot. I would like some lemon Oreos.
Get out of my chair. Alright, geez, fine.
What did you just say? I'm the leader of a country. What did you do just show? You don't want to start the next plushie war. Okay, chill out, dude. You don't want me to start the next plushie war.
Jay, fine.
You're kind.
Hey, Greg Whisper, you think you could get that milk from the guy?
I'm not doing that.
Well, we're winning!
Oh, yeah! That's why we're not doing that.
Wait, guys, I need to bring my phone so I can call my friends.
Why don't you have it on airplane mode?
Right? Alright, put it. Done? What the frick is this? That wasn't my phone.
Wait, this doesn't want to never say what the frick again.
Oh, finally.
And done.
Oh, Boris!
Don't jump on me!